I don't know what I'm doing. Look at the corn that's still in there. On the back of my head, look. Horrendous. Hi. I may or may not be dyeing my hair soon.
6.5 hours later.
How early is too early for a Red Bull? It's 8:25. I leave for the airport in probably 10 hours. I'm gonna dye my hair. Because that's the sensible thing to do when you're about to leave for the airport. It's full Sunday, I guess. What?
Isn't it a surprise? I said, are you about to dye your hair?
I am about to dye my hair. I did a strand test the other day. Here's my strand. I like the color, so we're gonna do this color. This is such an impulse thing, man. Why do I do this? This is great. This is great. One of these is already open. I don't know which one it is. Oh, I think it's this one. Well, I should probably like read the instructions on 1:2 ratio. I'm learning. I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes? I feel like I should do the back sections first and then rinse it out and then do the front sections. Is that a smart thing to do? Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, gloves. You know, I feel like this time around gloves would be like a nice thing to wear. Will I find any though? Probably not. No gloves. Ooh, I'm gonna see if my mom has gloves. She's a nurse. She should have gloves somewhere. I'll be right back. I think I found gloves. I didn't find any in my mom's room, but we have a first aid kit. I think these are gloves. If not, I'm gonna be very... No. These are not gloves. Come zoom in on my bowl. If I could adjust my camera properly. Hello? Am I just weak? I don't know how to do this? I think I'm just weak. Oh my god, I am just weak. Okay. So I will just squeeze it out like that, I guess. Now for the fun part. Trying to eyeball a 1:2 ratio developer. Okay. We'll start with that and go from there.
For starters, why am I so stupid? And then second off, how am I not bald?
You gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy.
Okay. Oh my gosh. No, I'm doing it. Oh my god. How's the back of my head look? Horrendous. That's okay. Hi. Okay. So I did the whole 1-2 and barely covered the back section of my hair. Look at all the corn that's still in there. This is so bad.
20 minutes later.
Hello, I'm back. It's been 15 minutes and I'm gonna rinse this out before it gets any darker. You can see, like, I don't know, this spot right here kind of concerns me. I know that there's still some blonde peeking through somewhere, but my hands are black.
Let's do the fork in the garbage disposal. Ding 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 ding.
Era, guys. I'm not gonna be blonde anymore. I'm just gonna be a brunette. You know, I'm still probably gonna end up dyeing my hair. I'll probably like add some red, you know, later on. Make it a reddish brown. Come in for Zendaya's brand. I didn't finish packing. Oh, geez, like, oh, I got it on my eye. Ah! Ooh. You know, honestly, I should just switch it up and do like the Wii music. Maybe I'll do it. Alright, this is my last section of hair. You know, I watched a couple hours of Guy Tang, so I feel like, you know, I'm just like a professional at this point. I feel great. I feel really, really good. Like, really good.
Later.
My timer went off! It's time to rinse it out! It's time! I'm gonna rinse this out now. I'm really excited. Ah!
Oh my god. It blends in with my door. Oh my god, I really did this. My noodles are gone. I got most of the dye off my hands. Okay, I'm gonna go finish up. Ooh, that looks so bad. Oh my gosh.
3 days later.
Oh, fantastic! Oh my God. Granddaughter finally is maturing. There is another truck.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Bula.
Hi, Miss Jack.
It's gold.
Yeah. In conclusion, my hair is now brown. That's it. Okay, bye.